Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. It is 4/9/2015. I just want to go over our trading day today. On gold, we really just had this one opportunity. This break of the 50 was on a rising 50 and a yellow modified 15. Market came down, retraced right back into the 15 here, and it pushed down just for 5. Then it retraced, and we could have taken this chase dot, which would have taken us down 16. That would be a one contract trade, and I just didn't stay with gold and just did not elect to take that chase dot, unfortunately. I would have closed out our day a lot faster, but I just didn't do it. I'm sorry here. I don't know why it's okay. Then after that, there was really nothing to trade. I mean, gold was as flat as it gets. Nothing to trade. Okay, I'll have the ES on this side. Now, the ES did have a very, very nice trade set up. We were just trying to get another trade on another side, so we weren't able to get it, but I did see it. Now, the market opened right here and just went straight up. Could not really catch that market opening move. And then it was this move right here. I'm sorry, this is the ES. And that would have been for 2.5 points. We were just in a different trade, and I did see the move. Unfortunately, it was a very, very nice move. And then there was this retracement and continuation, but we had already finished. Oops. Again, this is a chase dot trade, risky if you wanted to take it. But we really didn't get anything on the ES. Did have this really, really nice opportunity here for 2.5 points, but we were just focused on another market and actively trading it at the time. Move that over. Somehow these markets got switched out. Now let's look at the Russell. And I don't think we had a trade on the Russell. Now the Russell just, after we closed, just took this dive. Now we took West. That was our loss today. Again, at the open, the market just shot up, then went into a lot of chop. Now this was a potential trade. Was the break, the retracement, and the continuation here. Just risky because you're taking the short. This candle's a small candle body, no order flow or momentum, and no background bias. And you can see it took a lot of heat on the trade, but eventually it pushed down. I took this retracement with background bias, order flow, and momentum, and the trade went nowhere. And that was costly because we started with 2 winners, and I wasn't sure or not whether just to stop with 2. We had almost $400 of equity, but I traded on and then wound up with that loser. Now, this was a tough trade, but if you wanted to take it on a chase dot, it would have given you a nice trade. Now, then the room closed, and this was just a precipitous drop. Would have been on a yellow 15 without any retracement or chance to get in. And so there was no opportunity to trade the Russell again. Really, this was the only potential short, and that was a risky short. The trade that we took was really a very, very safe trade that just didn't work. Then we had some stellar trades on crude oil, which is always my favorite market to trade. We had the move down, and we couldn't take this break. This was a potential trade to the downside, especially with the knowledge that bias was going to kick in on the next candle. I didn't take it. I elected to take the retracement, and it went down for 24 ticks. Then we had the move up, move down, the retracement, and the continuation short. But it just, you can see the direct entry signal. It just kind of went a couple ticks in our direction, came back a few ticks. There was a pivot here. I took it out of break even. Some people in the room got a tick on this trade. I just took it as a break even. Then we had this really nice move up, retracement, and up for 9. Again, a potential short here. Actually, the short would be here. There was nice follow through on these moves today. Yesterday, they were terrible. I would have gone down for 13. But then we got this really nice retracement. Move down for 22 ticks. So 2 big trades, 22 ticks and 24 ticks on crude oil. And worked really, really well. So I was just looking at these moves through the 50. Every one of these moves through the 50, especially this one, green 50, this really was a potential break of the 50. Another break of the 50. All these breaks just worked. There was another one here somewhere I saw. Right here. So here's how we finished. We finished with 4 trades. We had 3 winners and the 1 loser you saw on the Russell. The Russell was minus 10. It was a big hit for $300. Then we had gold for plus 5. First contract off at 5 ticks. Second off at no ticks. Crude plus 9, one off at 5 ticks. Second and third contracts off at no ticks. Then we had 24 ticks. First at 5, second at 10, third at 15. Then we had 22. First at 5, second at 10, third at 19. Our net ticks were 53. Net equity was $440. Auto Trader had no trades. So we're doing good so far this week. We made money on, we made about $500 on Monday in the room. On Tuesday, we just had a very, very small amount of money. Yesterday, we had a very small drawdown, and today we're up 440. So we're close to 1,000 for the week, not including commissions. And if we can make $400 or $500 tomorrow, we'll make our 1,000 for the week easy, if not more. Even subtracting all the potential costs for commissions. So we're just staying very conservative, taking these nice retracement trades. They have a tremendously high predictive value. And I've really been staying away from these breaks, but I think the breaks with the 50 and the 15 down are very, very safe. And I really have to start revisiting them. These are tougher trades with the 50 down and the 15 up, but they were working today extremely well too. But with both down and order flow and momentum on the trade, I think you've got yourself a good trade here too. 50 and 15 up. Here, 15 and 15 down. Right here. Well, actually this would be the trade. They're working good. So we did really, really well today, and we invite everybody into the room for a free trial. We'd love you to come in. Um, the market's never easy to trade, and it's never easy to be a professional day trader. And if anybody tells you otherwise, they're pulling your leg. Um, but we really, really have a fabulous system. So please come into our room for a free trial. Go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you will see a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, our daily net equity for the auto trader, our daily net equity for both auto traders, our ES Russell and our ES Russell and Gold auto trader. Also, there's a sign up page for our free trial, and there's a contact us page. And you can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com or give us a call at 1-855-765-6681. And we really look forward to talking to you on the phone. We get lots of questions and calls. Feel free to contact us, and we'll just put you in the room anytime you like for a free trial. So listen, everyone, have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in the trading room tomorrow. Take care.